We're going to go start on the home page, sewmagicalexpo.com. Go to the Florida tab and go till you see Florida class sign up. Here you'll see there's a password protected for now. This will come off later in the future. And then you can go here and see all the list of classes that we have. They are in order by date and time. So November 4th, that first day happens first, and then it goes in order of time. You can see the room it's in and the teacher. You want to see more information, you're going to click that button. You see everything there and all that additional data. You can click the book and buy kit here, or you can exit out and you can just click it on this main page. When you click that, it will take you to, if you're not already logged in, we highly suggest logging in first, because it's just going to take you to your account where you will be able to see that you have a purchase ticket. You can go back to that same page, click the book and buy button, or just go up to your cart at the top and you'll see it's listed there. You can go straight to proceed to checkout, or if you want to add another one, go back to that page. And for instance, let's say we know we want a class in room D. We've got those fun filters up there, so you can just see all the classes in this room only. And let's say you know for a fact the class you're looking for is on Sunday. You can go ahead and click that Sunday button and it narrows it down. So you don't have to scroll through every class every time if you know the room and or the day. We're going to go ahead on this one. We're going to click more info because this one actually, all the classes for Nailed It have a link where you purchase your class kits separately because they've got tons of options for you to choose from. So you can go there, but before you go and purchase that kit, you still do need to book your seat with Sew Magical. You have to book your seat with us. So you're going to add that to your cart. Now you see you've got All About Patches for $9, and then you've got the $0 for tea towels. There's one more class I want to show you, and that's an optional class kit. So we're going to go down to the Daybreak Cork Wallet, and hold on one second. I actually want you to go back and then you're going to go look at the more information. Because this is an optional one, is automatically going to put that class kit cost into your cart. You're going to go to more information and you're going to see at the top it says use code optional if you are going to bring all your own supplies. And this is only for a few classes, Daybreak Cork Wallet being one, for the Love a Change pouch is another one. And so I've just copied that code. I'm going to go back to my cart at the top, and then I'm going to enter that code optional here, hit apply coupon, and you'll see down below where it removed that $27. That will mean you have to bring your own items. So as you can see here, now I've got $9 worth of class kits, and I'm going to be booked in all of those spots. Now you can go here and you can scroll all the way down. This is your final checkout. Doing this will actually solidify your seats in the class, and you will be buying the pertinent class kits that you've chosen. You can pick PayPal or Venmo here, and a credit card entry. Another thing I want to show you is if you're in your cart, you can click those X's and remove items as well from your cart. Let's say you didn't want those. You can hit that undo button if you X one out by accident, and then you can still proceed to check out all the same. Another thing I wanted to show you here is if you go on the home page and you scroll all the way to the bottom to the footer, there is the refund policy. We did receive quite a few questions on how that's going to work, and you can read through here. Class kits are like tickets. They are non-refundable. However, we will transfer that money over. Just keep in mind that the class kits are very unique in the fact that the teachers actually have to buy all the materials for those class kits. Right now there is a slight tech error where the classes are showing up under purchased tickets and not under the registered classes. This is no effect to you. You will still be in those classes. You are still fully registered and your class kits will be paid for. This will get fixed at a later date. So don't worry about it when you go to your account and see that they're under purchased tickets and not registered classes. And the last thing that I just want to show you here is you can, let's just say you wanted to see if a class is sold out. You can actually see here where that button for the 18-inch mini wood plank says sold out. You cannot click it anymore to book or buy a kit. That means it's sold out, and that is the end of what that looks like. I appreciate your time, and I hope this helps explain how we're going to do class signups for Florida 2022. And if there are any updates or changes, we will be doing an updated video. I hope everybody gets into some of the classes that they really want and has a fantastic time at Sew Magical Expo 2022 Florida.